Alright, how's it going, everybody? I know it's been a little while since I've given y'all an update. So here's the update. The heads are back on. ARP head studs, which y'all probably can't see. Got some ARP head studs in there now. Still running factory cams in the factory bottom end. So what I found when I tore it down to put it back together, I did an oil pan gasket on it recently, and I thought I saw some rod bearing play. Apparently not. So when I tore it down, I didn't see anything crazy. So nothing was worn out, all the bearings looked fine. So for right now, we're just gonna keep everything the way it is, just because I don't have the money to replace it right now. So got good news and bad news. Bottom end's good. The engine's all pretty much put back together, other than I'm waiting on parts like a timing set, intake, oil pan, because my oil pan needs to be replaced. I never showed what my oil pan looked like. Sitting way over here, and on this side, the side of where the sump is all crushed, so which isn't good. And I'm still debating on the intake I want to run. Either I'm going to run a Typhoon intake or a Victor Junior intake. I think I'm going to go towards the Victor Junior because I think that'd be pretty neat. Make it look really, really nice. I'm waiting on a timing set for it. Once I get that, I can throw that back on. And once I get the oil pan, I can pretty much button everything for the most part back together and get ready to put the motor back in the car. The bad news that I was talking about in the title of the video is it's gonna be a little while before I can really finish putting this thing back together, because money's tight, and bills got to come first before race car, unfortunately. So but yeah, I mean, that's the only real bad news that I have, but other than that, everything so far is looking pretty good. Hopefully it holds up at least for a little while. We'll see what a stock bottom end 2-valve, stock heads, non-PI heads, and a turbo can do. See how long it'll last. Hopefully it'll last a little while and make a good bit of power. And another thing I wanted to ask y'all, and I want y'all to put in the comments if y'all want to see anything about it, is my straight axle swapped Explorer. I was thinking about making some videos on that, because we'll be working on that here again pretty soon. So if that's something y'all want to see also on the channel, just leave it in the comments and let me know. And I will talk to y'all later. See you.